Hello everyone, this is TP. Welcome to Java Programming Tutorial 2. In this video we're going to learn how to write for loops. Please make sure that you import your acm.jar file. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go back and visit my Java Programming Tutorial 1. First, what we need to do is type import acm.program.console program and semicolon. acm.console program, and then type extend console program. Now inside of the open and close square bracket, type public void run open and close parentheses and type let's make a note of ourselves. Before that we have to type open and close square bracket. Let's make a note of ourselves. Let's say this count up from 1 to 10. So what we are saying is whatever we're going to write right now is gonna count up from 1 to 10. So type for open and close parentheses, type int int I is equal to 1 and semicolon, and I is less than or equal to 10 and semicolon, and I plus plus, and after that type open and close a square bracket, and inside of there type print open and close parentheses, inside of there type I plus open and close quotation mark and semicolon, and then after that just type print ln and then open and close parentheses and semicolon. This is what you're supposed to have right now. Let me zoom in for you. So import acm.program.console program, public class for loops extends console program, public void run. We said count up from this will count up from 1 to 10. So what this means is that I is equal to 1. So this is the starting point. This is where we wanna count it first. So we said that count from 1 and then everything that is greater than or equal to 1 until 10. So this means it will count every single number from 1 to 10. And then we said print the I plus I is 1, so 1 plus whatever number until 10. So and we said print it for me. So let's click save and run, and then you should be able to see this. Alright, and it will count it for you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until 10, because we said until only 10. If we say 100, for example, let's change this to 100. It will, and save and run, it will count up to 100. As you can see, there's a lot. Oh, see, you can see here is count until 100. So yeah, and then next what we want to do is we want to count down instead of count up. We want to count down. So change this from count down from 10 to 1. So for example, like this: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that, right? So what we need to change over here is, instead of I making equal to 1, we said 10, and then instead of this, what we have to write is the I is greater than 0, and then semicolon, and then I minus minus. So everything still the same. So this one I is still the same. Alright, so what we just did is I is equal to 10, because this is the starting point that we want. So we want to count down from 10 to 1. So we're saying count every number that is greater than 0. So since we're counting down, we say I minus minus. Alright, and then let's click save. Let me zoom in for you before I show you. This is what you're supposed to have. Alright, and then click run. It will count down. See, it's count down for us from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's how we count down. Now what we want to do is we want to do a multiples of a number. So let's say multiples of 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, like that. So if we want to do it like that, then let's make a note of ourselves count. Let's say multiples of 4. So what we want to do is, since we're starting from 4, we need to change the I set to equal to 4, and then over here what we need to write is I is less than or equal to, let's count until 20, so let's say 20, and then semicolon, and then I plus and equal to 4. Alright, I don't need this comma. Yep. So int I equal to 4, semicolon, and then the I is less than or equal to 20, and then I plus equal 4. So what we are saying is that we want a multiples of 4, starting from 4 to until it get to 20. So that's why we say I plus, and then we add whatever number it is until 20. So click save, run, and here is, you can see this I. So we're saying 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. After 20 we say don't count it anymore. So if we want like 100, then it will count until it get to 100. As you can see, there will be a lot right here, right? So next I want to show you how to do a power of a number. Let's say a power of 3, like 3 times 3, 3 square is 9, 3 to the 3 is 27, like that. So let's make a note of ourselves, powers of 3. This thing won't change. All the thing will change is I should be equal to 3, because we're counting from 3. So, and 3 and then the I is less than or equal to how many numbers that we want to count. Let's say count it until it get to 81. So let's put 81, and then the I should be not plus because we want multiplication, so we type the star, and yeah, and then equal, that should be equal to 3. It's the power of 3. So then everything still stay the same. So let me zoom in for you. This is what you're supposed to have. All right, we said we're gonna start from 3, power of 3, count it until you get 81, until like less than count every number that is greater than or equal to 3. So it's gonna count from 3 to until it's get to 81. All right, and click save and then run, and you should be able to see from 3, 9, 27 and 81. After 81 it stopped because we said stop at 81. So yep, this is how we do for loops. I hope it's helped you, and I hope you learned something. Please subscribe and likes, and leave any comments you have. Ask me a questions. I would love to answer them. In the next tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to do a what we call is a nested loops. So all of these loops are very important in Java, and it is very useful. So please follow all of the steps carefully. If you have any question, you can shoot me a message, or just leave a comments. Thank you so much, and you have a nice day.